On the Intergas Xclusive, you can make some basic parameter changes. To do this, tap the display, press and hold the spanner symbol until the return and spanner symbol come up. Press those together once. You can then get C000 on the left hand side. Press the plus button, so that goes to C015. Press the spanner, that's into the parameters. So P001, press the spanner symbol once. 0 is a combi. Plus to 1 is priority hot water. Plus again to 2, which is water heater only. Plus again to number 3, which is system boiler. Once you've made your selection, press the spanner symbol to go back. Press the plus button to P010, which is then you can range rate your heating. Press the spanner symbol, range that appropriately to the size of the system. Once you've made your adjustments, press the return button so it programs it into the PCB. That's how you make the adjustments on the parameters for the Intergas Xclusive.